This is a 2025 Macan GTS. As you can see from the grille, it has adaptive cruise control. Along the side blades are black, the mirror caps are black, as well as the door handles too. And you can see this, it does say GTS in green. This car sold just after I got to the dealership. I am at Napleton Porsche in Westmont, Illinois. Let's take a look at the side here. It was unlocked. You could sit in it when I walked in the door, but it sold probably within like 10-20 minutes after I got there. Looks like it has the exclusive design tail lights. I don't know if that's what they're called on this particular model. I know on the 911 that's what they're called. So very nice car, truck, SUV. And here we see the side. You're going to see the window sticker here in case you're wondering what the price was.